Today's Wednesday, June 4th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible passenger side Vanity Sunvisor with mirror. Okay, it is the vanity mirror with the lights, and we can see here how the unit is illuminating once fully opened. It is spring loaded. Okay, and the unit has been restored. It was a fractured illuminating vanity mirror whereby the cover and the hinges were broken. Very common problem for the this year Cadillac, particularly in the convertibles, which have a propensity for being sun-baked from the sun, whereby the plastic becomes very brittle. So the unit has been replaced and restored in the original sun visor, fully embedded. The electricals reconnected and extended so that my friend Michael can install it into his beautiful 1976 green interior Cadillac Eldorado convertible. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, June 4th. Thank you very kindly.